The 2026 Toyota GR Corolla is finally here, and it looks like Toyota is doubling down on everything enthusiasts loved about the last version while refining the details that matter most. When Toyota first introduced the GR Corolla, it quickly became one of the most exciting hot hatches on the market, delivering rally-inspired performance in a practical, everyday package. Now with the 2026 model, Toyota has managed to sharpen the formula, blending more technology, improved design, and even greater driving dynamics without sacrificing the raw personality that made it such a standout. At first glance, the design feels instantly familiar but noticeably more aggressive. Toyota has given the GR Corolla subtle tweaks to its body lines, aerodynamics, and stance that make it look lower, wider, and more purposeful. The front fascia carries sharper LED lighting, a bolder grille design, and functional air intakes that aren't just for show. Around the sides, flared fenders continue to give the car its muscular character, but Toyota has reworked the paneling and wheel options to improve airflow and reduce drag. Out back, a new rear diffuser and a larger but sleeker spoiler tie the whole look together while still serving a performance purpose. Under the hood, Toyota has stayed committed to its remarkable turbocharged three-cylinder engine, but it's now tuned for even more power and efficiency. The 1.6-liter turbo unit, which became a legend in its own right, now produces around 320 horsepower thanks to revised internals, better cooling, and updated turbo technology. What's impressive is that Toyota didn't just chase numbers. They worked to improve mid-range torque delivery, meaning the car feels more responsive in everyday driving while still explosive when pushed hard. One of the biggest updates comes in the transmission and drivetrain department. The 6-speed manual gearbox remains the star of the show, a clear nod to purists, but Toyota has refined the shift feel to make it both crisper and smoother. For those who prefer convenience, a new dual-clutch automatic option has been introduced for the first time in the GR Corolla, and it's been tuned with performance in mind rather than just comfort. Power is still sent to all four wheels through Toyota's advanced GR4 system, which allows drivers to shift torque distribution between front and rear axles. That means you can dial in more front bias for stability in daily driving or more rear bias for spirited cornering. It's flexibility like this that makes the GR Corolla feel like a car with multiple personalities. On the inside, Toyota has taken a step forward in both design and technology. The cabin remains driver-focused with a cockpit-style layout, but materials have been improved with soft, touch surfaces, suede-like inserts, and optional carbon fiber trim. A fully digital instrument cluster now offers customizable modes that display everything from G-forces to boost pressure, while the infotainment screen has been upgraded with sharper graphics and faster response times. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and a premium JBL sound system is available for those who want high-quality audio to match the car's soundtrack. Speaking of sound, Toyota has paid attention to the exhaust system, making sure it delivers the same raspy, rally-inspired note that fans expect. But it's now tuned to be less intrusive at highway speeds, balancing fun with livability. Adjustable drive modes also allow you to change how aggressive the throttle, steering, suspension, and exhaust behave. Whether you want a daily commuter, a backroad weapon, or a track-ready machine, the GR Corolla adapts to the mood. Safety and convenience tech has also been expanded. Toyota's Safety Sense suite comes standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. While most enthusiasts focus on performance, Toyota knows many buyers will still daily drive the GR Corolla, so these additions help make it a more rounded car without diluting its core mission. Perhaps the most exciting part of the 2026 GR Corolla is the way it strikes a balance. It's a car that still feels raw enough to excite hardcore enthusiasts, but polished enough to attract a broader audience. With the addition of an automatic option, more power, improved aerodynamics, and a smarter interior, Toyota has made the GR Corolla more accessible without taking away the reasons it became a cult favorite. For anyone who thought the era of fun, compact performance cars was over, Toyota continues to prove otherwise. The 2026 GR Corolla doesn't just keep the spirit alive, it evolves it. It's more refined, more capable, and more versatile, yet it stays true to its roots as a rally-bred hot hatch built to thrill. Whether you're chasing apexes on a track day, carving through mountain roads, or just enjoying the commute, this is a car that makes every drive an event. And that's exactly what makes the GR Corolla such a special part of Toyota's lineup, and one of the most anticipated cars of the year.